Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
What's going on, one and all? Welcome back to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, the 1 minute of motivation, bringing you the inspiration and, motivation to help kickstart your day and live your life on a higher level. Here's your quote for today. Opportunities will knock on your door every morning, but if you keep sleeping, they'll simply pass you by. Knock, knock. Who's there? Yes, it's another opportunity knocking on your door. But where were you to answer it? Were you there to greet it with open arms, this brand new opportunity just waiting for you at the door? Get yourself out of bed every day, ready to face every challenge, opportunity and success that you can grab with a smile on your face. Good morning to you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.